Namaste from Sarva. Welcome to today's yoga session. This is Basavaraj, yoga therapist from Sarva. Today we will be learning and practicing the specific yogic practices to enhance the functioning of our liver gland. So before going for that one, let us know a little bit about the liver. Liver is the largest solid organ of the body as well as the largest gland in our human body, which carries out over 500 essential tasks. Among those, first role is it helps to detoxify the body. Detoxification means removing out the toxic materials from the body. Second one is it helps for protein synthesis. Next is it produces some chemicals which helps for the digestion of the food. With little bit of this information, we will move for the practical session which helps in enhancing the functioning of our liver gland. Yes, without making further delay, we will start the practical session. Get ready, please. Now, sit straight, both hands in chin mudra. Gently close your eyes. Keep observing your breathing patterns. You are concentrating on the movement of the breath. Try to reduce all your thoughts. Bring your whole awareness just over the movement of the breath. Make your mind still and concentrated. Now, 3 rounds of deep breathings. Consciously we are going to have inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale, exhale. Both hands in chin mudra over your knee joints for 5 more deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly open your eyes. Now, we are going for a little bit of stretching or warm up just to avoid cramps or the spasms of the body before going for the actual asanas. Yes, for that one, be in the same posture. With inhalation, laterally lift both the hands towards the ceiling. Join the palms at the top. Get full upward stretch. Then exhaling by the sides. Slowly and gently. 4 more rounds we are going to do the same. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Yes, stay there. Keep your palms together. Stretch fully up. Look forward. Have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, hands by the sides. Now, we will have one forward fold. For that one, keep your legs one in front of the other, not one over the other. Now, inhale, laterally lift both the hands towards the ceiling. Exhale, bend forward halfway. Expand the chest, look forward, have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, forearms or palms, whichever is possible, on the ground. Expand the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, head up, expand the chest. Exhale, still lengthen your spine forward. Try to take your forehead towards the ground and on the ground. Stay here for 5 more deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way up. Exhale by the sides. 2 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Slowly, as much as you can, try to go down directly to the forehead on the ground. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way up. Exhale by the side. Last round. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Try to bend from the lumbar. Keep exhaling, exhaling, exhaling. Then forehead on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way up. Exhale by the side. Now keep your legs crossed. We will have one twist. For that one, hold your right knee joint with the left hand, right palm behind to make your back straight. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhaling, we are twisting the whole trunk towards right, looking also right back and having 5 deep breathings. Okay. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale, twist towards right. Fully. 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, turn front. Then similarly on the other side, hold your left knee joint with the right hand, left palm behind. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale, twist towards left. Stay here for 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, turn front and relax. Now lateral movement for the spine. Inhale, lift the left hand laterally up. Exhale towards right. Look towards the sky. Have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, left hand down. Inhale, right hand up. Exhale towards left. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, right hand down. Now we have given the movement for the body to avoid the cramps or the spasms. Now we are going for the specific practices which helps to enhance the functioning of our gland liver. Okay, let's start it. For that one, first keep your legs in a stretched condition. From here we are going to start the specific practices. Keep your palms by the sides of the glutes. See here, first asana, Swastikasana. Exhale, take your left foot and keep it by touching the right thigh inwards. Exhale like this. Then inhale there itself. Exhaling, right foot bend the right leg at the knee joint. Take your right foot, keep it between the left calf muscle and the left thigh. Okay, exhale. Yes. Sit straight. Try to take your knee joints as towards the ground as possible. Back straight, both hands in Chin Mudra. chest expand, eyes close, have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly open your eyes. Inhaling, take your right leg forward. Exhale there itself. Then inhaling, left leg forward. Shake your legs and relax. Now we are going for the asana, Vajrasana. Exhaling, we need to bend both the legs at the knee joint, taking both legs from the right back. Yes, exhale. Sit over the heels. Try not to overlap the toes or the feet. Palms over your thighs. Look front. You may roll your shoulders once back to keep your chest expand. Look front. Have 5 deep breathings. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now Supta Vajrasana. Inhale, laterally lift both the hands towards the ceiling. Keep your palms facing forward. Full stretch towards the ceiling. Exhaling, sucking the belly inwards and bend forward from the lumbar. Exhale, bend forward, palms on the ground wherever they are touching. Then inhale, head up. Exhale, lengthen. Inhale, head up. Exhale, lengthen. Inhale, head up. Exhale, lengthen your spine. Forehead on the ground. Stay there. Have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way, come up. Exhale by the sides. Now we are going for the Mandukasana. For that one, keep your palms in a make a fist with your fingers. Place by the sides of the navel region. Inhale, head up, expand the chest. Exhaling, we need to suck the belly inside, press the belly with the help of fist. Okay, inhale, exhale, and go forward, forward, lengthen your spine by keeping the chest expand, then slowly forward, forward, then down. Stay there wherever you are. 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Come on. One more round we are going to do the same. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale, bend forward by lengthening the spine, keeping the chest expand. Lengthen your spine forward, 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 then down. Have 5 deep breathings here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax. Now we are going to practice Nashtasana, Virasana. For that one, face the shorter edge of the mat. In the same condition, keep your heels apart. Try to keep your glutes on the mat. Yes. Palms over your thighs. Expand the chest. Look forward. Have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to lean back. For that one, take your hands one by one back. Slowly palms on the ground one by one. Then palms, forearms, elbows. Keep your chest expand. Hold your respective ankle joints or the feet. Expand the chest. Look up. 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from here, trying to touch crown of the head on the ground. Yes. Stay here. Make your back arch. Have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now completely lie down on your back by taking the hands over the head on the ground. Completely lie down. Expand the chest. Look up. 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold your respective ankle joints by pressing the elbow to the ground. Inhale, come up. Inhaling, come up. Slowly keep your feet together and sit over the heels. Relax for a while. Then the next asana we are going to practice is Simhasana, a lion's pose. Face the longer edge of the mat. Lion means Simha. Palms by the sides of the knee joints on the ground. Keep your chest expanded. Here in this lion's pose, what we are going to do is, with inhalation, we are inhaling through the nostrils. Exhaling, we are exhaling through the mouth. In this one, we are at the time of exhalation, we will be opening the mouth, widening the mouth completely and taking the tongue outwards and towards the ground. And the eyesight will be between the eyebrows. Please observe. I am going to demonstrate one round. After protruding the tongue out or after taking the tongue outwards, try to exhale as long as possible. Okay, simply not to take the tongue out. We need to exhale as long as possible after taking the tongue outwards. Okay, 4 more rounds. Two rounds over, third round. Three over, fourth one. Last one. Yes, relax please. Now we have done the specific asanas for enhancement of the liver gland today. Now we are going for the pranayama session. Before that, inhaling, stretch your legs forward from the right. Shake your legs, completely shake your legs and relax your legs. Then be seated in any meditative posture for a pranayama. In today's yoga session, we are going to practice the pranayama called Ujjayi Pranayama, which is a basic pranayama. And once again, this definitely helps in removing the phlegm from the body. As whenever the liver will be not working properly, automatically the food what we are eating, that will not be digested properly. Because of that, phlegm will be creating. So to remove that phlegm or to avoid formation of the phlegm, this pranayama helps. That's why we are practicing this pranayama for today. Both hands in chin mudra. The procedure for practicing Ujjayi Pranayama is, while inhaling and exhaling, we need to constrict the throat region and breathe. If possible, trying to get the hissing sound or irritation or itching at the throat region. Here one more thing about this pranayama is we will be breathing consciously through the throat region, unconsciously breathing will be happening through the nostrils. Okay, try to get some itching or irritation or hissing sound at the throat region. We need to constrict and breathe. Try to observe and listen the sound. Now I did one round like that. 4 more rounds we are going to practice. Two. Three. Four. Five. One more speciality of this pranayama is, if you are already having the problem of phlegm or the kapha or the mucus, if you are already the respiratory tract, your throat is already filled with the phlegm, with the practice of this pranayama, then and there only you will get the phlegm or the mucus in the mouth. So if you are getting, while practicing, if you are getting the phlegm, please do not keep it inside the mouth, please spit it out and then practice. Okay, with this we are going to have some relaxation of 2 minutes. Okay, lie down on your back in supine posture. Keep your legs apart, palms by the sides of the thighs, palms facing the sky. Keep your whole body in a relaxed state, eyes gently closed. Keep your right palm over the abdominals, left palm over the chest region, elbows on the mat. Keep observing your abdominal movements for a minute. Do not let your mind to go anywhere. Let it be over completely on the abdominal movements. Continue concentrating on the movements of the abdominal region. Now, keep your palms by the sides of the body, feet together, hands over the head on the ground one by one. Then interlock your fingers, turn the palms out, get your full stretch from toes to fingers. Then unlock your finger, turn to right, be seated by pressing the left palm to the ground in front of the chest. Keep your eyes closed only. Sit in any posture, comfortable posture. We are going to rub the palms forcefully to get some heat between the palms, generate the heat between the palms. Then slowly apply your palms to the eyes, cheeks and the whole face. By looking at your palms, slowly and gently open your eyes. Thank you. Thank you for joining the session. Namaste.